that sound? Where's that instrument? It's a bright, sparkly sound there. The loo is the toilet, right? What does sick as a dog mean? I like the way you say, I ain't that young. Hey! What is that sparkly sound? Hey! Bay into that, what does that mean? Hey! Take it light. Take it easy. Is that what it means? Gotta grab it. Hey! Man, that's a catchy song. I mean, Aerosmith, you sure can trust on them to have a banger of a song. I mean, the meaning aside, it's just you know, you go like that when you listen to it. But what does sick as a dog mean though? Like honestly, what does it mean? Sick as a dog. Like I don't know what that means. But he also says, "Please, I just gotta talk to you." Like he's begging for someone. Like we'll get your head out of the loo. Basically saying we get your head out of the toilet, like inside of it. Because you put your head inside of it. Like, is that to mean like I'm gonna take you out of this bubble you're in? Is that what it means? And he ends the song by saying, "Take it light, take it easy, and say goodnight." He also says, "It's a shame so you're refined." What does that mean? Like these are like idioms that I don't understand. Refine as in you're so posh and uptight. Is that what it means? I don't know. But anyways, meanings aside, that's a fun song to listen to, man.